Monday. It's currently 7:55 a.m. I woke up at around 6, got an hour of studying done, and then came out to the park for a little bit of stretching. And I did meditation in the nature for the first time, and it was a game changer. Right now, I'm heading home. I'll be making buckwheat pancakes for breakfast today. I have heard from a lot of different places that buckwheat is a good alternative to maida and atta. Let's see if it's any good because I really want my pancakes to turn out good. Many of the people don't know about this flour that I'm using. It's called buckwheat or kuttuka atta in Hindi. It's a very good alternative to maida and atta, as I said earlier in the video. But it's also a gluten-free option and it helps enhance your pancakes flavor by 100 times, I would say, because it gives a nuttier flavor. And I have been meaning to give this a try specifically for my pancakes. So I got this package from Amazon and I will make sure to include the link in the description down below for you guys. As for the recipe, as I was experimenting this for the first time, I added a little bit of maida to it so that I can be sure that I'm not ruining my pancakes. And I have made this exact recipe with ragi flour and oat flour, and it still tastes amazing. So I can vouch that, yeah, buckwheat is very good flour that you can include in your diet. I added 75 grams of kuttuka atta and 30 grams of maida. I added 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. For the wet ingredients, I added half cup of milk with a splash of vanilla and added a little bit of maple syrup for the sweetener. You can use honey as well. I added all the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients and formed a smooth batter. As I was mixing all the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients, I noticed that I needed a little bit of more milk to form a smooth batter. To this, I added a bit of dark chocolate chips because let's be honest, who doesn't love dark chocolate chips in your pancakes, right? Other than that, this day I was needing a bit of energy kick in, so I added a coffee concoction to it, little bit of instant coffee with hot water, and then added the same to the batter. Now the batter is ready. Heat up a pan, add a bit of butter, pour little batches of the batter onto the pan. Flip it when you see the bubbles. Your house be smelling amazing right now. Thank me later for this recipe, but yeah, give this recipe a try and let me know. Good morning, everyone. It's currently 8:30, a little bit later than my usual mornings. I am heading home from the gym right now, and today I'll be making my favorite high protein oatmeal recipe, which takes at most 10 minutes, I guess, to make because it's a very easy recipe, very easy, simple ingredients that I use, and yeah, I'll meet you guys at home when I make my oatmeal and I am just loving the weather right now. You can hear the rain splattering on my car, but yeah. Anyways, so I started this day by making a chia seed water thing for me. So I soaked some chia seeds last night and I added those to the glass with a little bit of lemon and honey. I poured water over it, and yeah, this is a very good thing that I have been drinking lately. For the high protein oats, that I make. I love using this Muscle Blaze high protein oats that I got. This is in a dark chocolate flavor, and I will be linking it down for you guys to try. But yeah, this is a very good thing on days where I am very tired from the gym and I don't have a lot of time to cook myself a good meal. I usually tend to eat this with a bit of bananas and granola. This recipe is very simple. It only needs 50 grams of high protein oats with 250 ml of milk over it, and you just microwave it for 3 minutes, and yeah, your high protein oats is ready. And I usually serve this with True Elements dark chocolate granola, and I didn't have any bananas left this day, so I just added apples. And yeah, this is also a very good breakfast. And I usually have this around every other day. So yeah, you can say that I really love this recipe.
Hello, Editing Annie is here. Yeah, I don't have any footages of me talking to the camera for this day, so I'm here to do some explaining. So, on this day, I woke up at the usual time, got an hour of studying done before heading out to the gym, but I was feeling a little restless and a little bit lazy, so I skipped the gym and got an hour of sleep instead. Then I woke up and made this amazing breakfast. It's a veggie sandwich, and I have been loving this since my childhood. Like, it's a comfort food for me. I have been eating this since I was in grade 8th, I guess. Yeah, I will let you guys enjoy the video, and if you try any of these recipes, please let me know. For this recipe, you just need diced onions and any other veggies that you have on hand. I used capsicum and tomatoes and a bit of green chilies. I added fat free mayonnaise on top and just mixed it together with salt and black pepper, and your filling is ready. I had some white bread with me, added the filling on top, and just grilled it for a few minutes. Your simple veggie sandwich is ready. Yeah, I know mayonnaise is a little bit on the unhealthier side, but it's a fat free mayonnaise, and I have been loving this recipe since my childhood, so it makes sense if I want to have it again and again. Before ending this video, I would like to do my X review, and I want to make this a part of every single video that I make, wherein I review my X feed and also my personal daily targets or the growth that I have been doing. Let's not waste any more time and jump right into it. So today is Friendship Day apparently, so happy Friendship Day guys, and this is a very cool thing to do wherein you gift your friends your favorite books. And let me know if you have ever received a book as a gift from your friends. These are a few people from Bangalore whom I follow and whom I get inspired daily because their motivation and discipline is remarkable. And this is Varun, and he usually posts photos and videos in a very quirky form. I really like his editing style. She's Ashmita, and she is the one who inspired me to start running. I also made a post like a while ago when I started running, and I tagged her saying ki, yeah, you inspired me. And the pose I always make like this, the thumbs up pose, it's her pose. And then there's Kashmira. I really get inspired by her. Her posts are amazing as usual. This is so good. I really want to try a sourdough bread recipe. So if you know any good sourdough bread recipes, or you have any recipes of your own, please comment down below. I'll make sure to try them. The last X review that I did, it was, I guess, 3 weeks ago. Yeah, it was 3 weeks ago, and I just initially started running. And right now it's been 3 weeks, and I have continued running for a little while, and I ran 5 kilometers of around for 3 to 4 times, and I have increased my pace, increased my stamina, and it has been a very good journey. But starting this month, like from August 1, it's August 4 right now when I'm recording this, and I could not go farther than 2 kilometers for some reason, because I felt restless and I was very low in energy these 3 days. So yesterday when I ran 2 kilometers, it was a very easy task. When I said the same to my friend that I ran 2 kilometers and I have been running 2 kilometers for 2 days straight and I could not increase my pace, so my friend replied me with something which inspired me to make this post, which was a Rocky Creed moment where he says there is no tomorrow. And yeah, that inspired me to make my first 5k run of this month. And yeah, I thought this is a very good motivational moment that I should share with my Twitter community. This is something that you should know about me, that I am a Rocky fan. Like, I have been a Rocky fan since I watched Creed, and I have binge watched every single one of Rocky's movie. And yeah, when he said this, there is no tomorrow, it really inspired me to, get up and get the 5k run. So this is the post that I made today. I ran 5.1 kilometer today, and the pace is good. I would not say it's my best pace, but yeah, it's good. And then, so as I said earlier, that it's been 3 to 4 weeks that I have started running, and I made a running streak for the same, where I upload every single one of my run and make a cumulative distance. The whole purpose of this, I would say, is to get to a point where I run a marathon, like 42 kilometers on my birthday. And this whole running streak is a preparation for the same. So this I made on 2nd August. I wanted to wrap up the day, a day in my life kind of thing, and I wanted to get into the creative spirit. So I did a pictorial representation of my whole day, and this is something that I'm very proud of. Then yeah, I posted this thing on 2nd August, wherein I posted a me and my cup of chai thing of situation. And then somebody did the most sweetest thing ever. He drew this whole doodles around my face, and it is very cute. I had to make a repost. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please let me know if you liked this video, and I hope you have the amazing day ever. And yeah, kudos.